guys, come back with me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about insurance. Claims insurance. Claims and losing is the material utility of insurance. It is the actual to fight for. Claims may be filed by insurers directly, where the user or trial brokers are against the insured may require that the claim be filed on this own proprietary form or may accept claims on a standard industry form, such as those produced by a court. Insurance company claims department employ a large number of claims adjusters supported by a staff of records management and data entry calls. Income claims are classified based on severity and are assigned to adjuster with statement of the parties with their knowledge and experience. The adjuster undertakes an investigation of each claim, usually in close cooperation with the insured, determines if coverage is available under the terms of the insurance contract, and if so, there is reasonable monetary value of the claim and authorized payment. The police order might hire their own public adjusters to negotiate the settlement with their insurance company on their behalf for policies that are complicated where claims may be complex. The insurance may take out a separate insurance policy at on account also free insurance which cover the cost of a public adjuster in the case of a claim. Adjusting liability insurance claims is particularly difficult because there is a third party involved. The plaintiff who is under to contractual obligation to cooperate with the insurer and may in fact regard the insurance as a deep pocket. The insurer must obtain legal counsel for the insurer at the insured house, counsel or asset panel counsel, monitor litigation that might take years to complete and operate in person or over the telephone with statement authority at mandatory treatment conference when requested by the judge. Scroll. If a claim adjuster suspect under insurance, the condition of occurrence may come into play to limit the insurance company exposure. In managing the claims handling function, insurers seek to balance the element of customer satisfaction, administrative handling expense, and claims handling function. Insurers seek to balance the element of customer satisfaction, administrative handling expense, and claims of payment records. As part of this balancing act, fraudulent insurance parties are a major possibilities that must be managed and overcome. Disputes between insurer and insurers over the validity of claims or claims handling practice occasionally escalate into litigation. Marketing insurance. Insurers will often use insurance again to initially market underway their customer again can be captive, meaning they work only for one company. Or independent, meaning that they can issue policies from several companies. The existence and success of companies using insurance again is likely due to the available of improved and personalized service. Companies also use broker firms, banks, and other operating entities like self-help groups, big-grown financial institutions to market their products. Scroll. Types insurance and risks that can be quantified can potentially be also specific ones or risks that may give rise to claims are known as perils. An insurance policy will set out in detail which perils and covered by the policy and which are not below and risks that can be quantified can potentially be classified specific ones or risks that might give rise to claims are known as perils. An insurance policy will set out in detail which perils are covered by the policy and which are not. Below are not discussed list of the many different types of insurance that exist. A single policy might cover risks in one or more of the categories set out below. For example, vehicle insurance will typically cover both the property risk or damage to the vehicle and the liability risk. The claims are received from an accident More insurance policies in the status typically include coverage for damage to the home and the owner belongs certain legal claims against the owner and even a small amount of coverage for medical expense of those who are injured on the owner property. Okay guys, this is the participation about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and see you next time. Guys, kok bisa